Hello students, let us continue to study the chapter Perimeter and Area. What is perimeter? So in the previous class we learned about it that perimeter is the distance around an object. So basically we had taken the example of a thread and we have taken it around the different geometrical figures. Now today we learn about area. Area is the amount of space an object takes up. So the entire object, पूरा का पूरा object जो भी हो, वो square, rectangle, circle, triangle कुछ भी हो, जो कि उसका पूरा का पूरा अंदर का एरिया जो हम लेते हैं, जो भी उसका स्पेस को ऑक्यूपाई करता है, पेरीमीटर में हम बस बाहर का हिस्सा जो भी होता है उसका वो लेते हैं। एरिया में हम पूरा का पूरा स्पेस जो भी वो ऑब्जेक्ट ऑक्यूपाई कर रहा है उसको लेते हैं. So today we learn about the area of a square. So first we will derive the formula for the area of a square. So this geometrical figure which is given is a square. Now we need to know what is the length of one side. So we are given the length of one side is A. Now we know in a square all the sides are equal. So therefore each has the same length which is A. Now we learn how to derive the formula for the square. Now, the area of the square is side multiplied by side. So we get the area of the entire square if we take this side and this side. So side multiplied by side. Now one side is A. What will be the other side? It will also be A. So we will get A multiplied by A. When we have A multiplied by A, it means A is 1. Now I take this as equal. I need to use the laws of indices. When we have the same base, we can add the powers. This is the law of indices. Now, A raised to the power 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 will be 2. So what will be the formula of area of square? It will be side multiplied by side. That is, side is if the side is A, it will be equal to A multiplied by A, which is nothing but A square. We shall apply this formula in the problems. The first problem, Anu has a garden in the shape of a square of side 4 centimeters. Find the area. So they have said there is a garden in the shape of a square. So we will draw a rough diagram. This is a rough figure of the square. Each having side 4 centimeters. So if I've written 4 centimeters here, it is understood that all the other sides also it will be 4 centimeters. Now, first we will see what is given in the problem. We are given the side. We are given the side which is equal to 4 centimeters. And what are we to find? We need to find the area of the shape of the garden, which is the shape of a square. So in order to find that, we should write the formula for area of a square, which is equal to side multiplied by side. And we know the side is 4 centimeters. So it will be 4 centimeters multiplied by 4 centimeters. So here what I need to do is I need to write 4 multiplied by 4, which we know is equal to 60. And we also need to multiply the units. So the units here is centimeter multiplied by centimeter. So centimeter is raised to the power 1. So in the same way how we had done previously as A, we again apply the law of indices. Centimeter raised to the power 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. And 4 multiplied by 4 will be equal to 60. So I will get the answer as 60 centimeter square. So I hope you have understood how we are getting centimeter square. Because we have the same unit centimeter, I'm able to take that common. I'm using the law of indices and I'm adding the powers, which is 1 plus 1. That's how I'm getting it is equal to 2. So we will take another problem. So here we are told to find the area of a square park if the side is 6 centimeters. So we'll just draw a rough figure of a square park. So we are given the sides as 6 centimeters. So just written there. And we need to find the area of the square park. For that, we will write the formula of the area of a square, which is side multiplied by side. One side is given as 6 centimeters. So 6 centimeters into 6 centimeters. Again, what I will do is I will multiply 6 multiplied by 6. 6 multiplied by 6 is 36. And then I have to also multiply the units, which is centimeter multiplied by centimeter. First, centimeter is raised to the power 1, 1 raised to the power 1. So I've taken centimeter 1 plus 1. So I will get 6 multiplied by 6, 36, and centimeter 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. Take the next problem. Here, we are told to find the area of a square part whose perimeter is 32 meters. तो यहाँ पे हमें दिया गया है perimeter और area मालूम करवाना है एक square part. So first we will write what is given. We are given the perimeter of a square part which is equal to 32 meters, and we have to find the area of the square part. So what we need to do is, first we will use the formula of the perimeter of the square part which is equal to 4 multiplied by side. Perimeter we will use 32, so we will substitute 32 is equal to 4 multiplied by the side. Now what I will do is, I want the value of the side. So 4 multiplied by is there. Both the sides I will divide by 4. So 4 and 4 can get cancelled. And I know that I can cancel 4 and 32 because 4 multiplied by 8 will give me 32. So 32 and 32 will get this thing, and we get your answer remainder 0. So 32 divided by 4 multiplied is equal to this side. So after that I see I get quotient as 4, so the answer will be 8 meters. Now we know the side, so we can easily substitute the sides in this problem. So the area of the square part will be side multiplied by side, which will be 8 multiplied by 8. So 8 multiplied by 8 you need to do. Eight multiplied by 8 is 64. And we have to multiply even the units. The unit is meter. So meter is raised to the power 1 and here also it is raised to the power 1. Again, I will use the law of analysis where we have the common factor, then we can add the powers. So m raised to the power 1 plus 1, which is 2. And 8 multiplied by 8 would be 60. So these were the problems on the area of a square. Thank you, students.